welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am back with another unboxing video, and this time it is an Influenster VoxBox, and I'm super excited. And this is the box right here, and this one is the Revlon Color Silk VoxBox. So I'm super excited. I think this is my first VoxBox of the year. I mean, I did get the hair tool, I believe it was last month when I was doing Vlogmas. The Conair hair tool, I will put a picture right here, and I will also link that Vlogmas up here if you guys want to watch it. I think that was the last VoxBox that I received. But anyways, I'm super excited that I have received this box this month. It is hair dye, so I'm super excited to see what hair dye they sent me. So let's open it up. Ta-da! This is what it looks like inside, and as usual it comes with a card, and this one is the Revlon Color Silk, beautiful color, #1 in the USA. Bring new life to your hair. Cover 100% of grays with a keratin enriched, ammonia free, long lasting formula, available in 41 shades. And so this is what the card looks like, and on the back it says, be your own colorist. Amazing DIY hair color when and where you want it. Plus foolproof instructions make it easier than ever. And that's what it looks like. And then on this little red corner right here, it just tells me how to review this box. And anyways, okay, I'm super excited, you guys. Ta-da! And this is the Revlon hair dye and the shade 48 Burgundy. I'm so excited for this, you guys. I really hope this hair dye works on my hair. So this is what it's going to look like if that's your hair color, and mine is like closer to this one, a dark brown black. And so my hair is supposed to look like this. I'm not sure when I will be dyeing my hair, because if you guys watched my most recent palette bingo that I will link up here if you guys want to go watch it, I did say that I was going to be in Colorado. So since I'm going to be in Colorado, I'm going to have my mom dye my hair red, like this whole bottom layer like this, and like this, and also this right here, all this, like how I would normally have it. Like I'll put a picture right here of how I normally dye it. If you guys are new here, you guys have never seen me like that before. But anyways, I'm going to have her dye that part red, and maybe once I come back from Colorado, I'll dye the rest of this, like the dark brown red, to see if it actually works. So yeah, I really hope it does work. It would be cool to have my whole hair red for a while, because I know this will eventually fade away because I do wash my hair every single day. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried out this hair dye, and also let me know if you guys have tried it on dark hair and did it work on you. Anyways, that is everything that I received in this VoxBox. I know it's a short video, but I still hope that you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will also have Influenster linked in the description box if you guys want to go sign up. It's completely free, so you guys should try it out if you guys haven't. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.